Do you know you can be making money for yourself every blessed day just by creating YouTube thumbnail? Yes, you can be creating YouTube thumbnail like this, just the way you are seeing right now, and be making massive money for yourself every blessed day. Because a lot of people right now are looking for who can design YouTube thumbnail for them, and they are ready to pay them. In fact, all these YouTube thumbnail you are seeing right here, which I use for my videos, are created with AI. Yes, you can use AI to create a YouTube thumbnail like this and be making money from it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Gemini plus Nano Banana AI to be generating YouTube thumbnail just the way you are seeing right now, and how you can be making money from it. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because in this video I'm going to put you through step-by-step method on how you can use Google Gemini plus Nano Banana AI to be generating YouTube thumbnail for yourself, and you can also be doing it for people, and those people will be paying you for it. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part, because if you decided to skip a part, the part you skip may be most important part you need to watch and get everything done right. So don't skip any part. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across my channel, I am Nupe Flavor TV. In this channel, I teach you how you can make massive income with your smartphone or with your laptop, and also how you can grow your business. So if that sounds so interesting to you, and today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do it to hit that subscribe button, so that when next I drop more videos on how you can be making massive income with your smartphone or with your laptop, you should be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let's go dive into it. Now, let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you how you can be creating YouTube thumbnail using Google Gemini plus Nano Banana AI. And when you are doing this, you can be doing it for people, and those people will be paying you. Now, let's get started.
So now let's get started, and to get started we'll be using ChatGPT to generate our thumbnail prompt. So to do this, if you don't have ChatGPT or you don't know anything about ChatGPT, you can go to your Google Play Store or Apple Store and you want to search for ChatGPT like this. Now, as you can see, this is the app. You can go to where you are downloading app with your phone and you go and download the app. It is called ChatGPT. As you can see, this is it here. Just search for ChatGPT and you download it. Mine is telling me to update, but I've already have it. I don't want to update right now. So after I download ChatGPT, you open it. So this is ChatGPT. Now, what you need to do is to tell ChatGPT that, for example, I will say, I want, okay, let's say you have a video, you have a video like making money. Like, let's say video of my title. This is the title of my video. Let me put the title of my video, for example, how to make money online in 2025. As you can see, let's say this is my video, the video title. So I will tell ChatGPT, use this video title and write me a professional YouTube video thumbnail prompt, image prompt to use on Nano Banana AI to generate the thumbnail. As you can see, I'm just telling ChatGPT my plan, the thumbnail, following YouTube update. Now I'll say continue. So let's just give it some minutes and ChatGPT is going to write the prompt for us. Now, as you can see, this is the prompt. Now, as you can see, it says create a professional ICTR YouTube thumbnail for a video title, how to make money. So blah, 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 blah. As you can see, you have write everything. Add large keyword, make money online as a green. So this is our prompt. So now, let's copy our prompt. You can decide to edit some things. Now let's copy the prompt. I'll copy the prompt. Let's copy the prompt. Now, as you can see, I've copied everything. Now, after copying the prompt, let me use Gemini, Google Banana AI Gemini to generate this prompt, this YouTube thumbnail prompt. So you can go to your Google Play Store or Apple Store and you go and search for the app, Gemini. If you don't have the app already, this is the app. As you can see, you can just go to Google Play Store or Apple Store and you install the app. When you install the app, you click on open and you register. So after you register, you can decide to paste the prompt here, or you can decide to use your own image. Me, I love using my image on my thumbnail. So all you just have to do is just to click on create. Then let me upload one of my image. Now this is my image. I just upload this image, and this image is in 16:9 ratio. So make sure if you are uploading your own image, make sure the image is in 16:9 ratio if you are creating TikTok thumbnail, because Google Gemini don't know the ratio you want. So if you just give him a prompt with random image ratio like that, it will create it just the way it see the image. Now the next thing, I'll click on continue. Now this is the image. As you guys can see, this is the image I uploaded, and this image is 16:9 because that is the image ratio for YouTube. Now let's give it some minutes. So as you can see what it generated for me. As you guys can see our result here, using my face, using the image I uploaded, as you can see, just the way it give us the prompt, and it create a fantastic YouTube thumbnail for us. As you can see, say make money online 2025. That is the prompt we gave to ChatGPT and help us write the image prompt, and we generate it with Google Gemini. So this is how you can be generating YouTube thumbnail for people. In fact, you can go to anybody that you want to generate YouTube thumbnail for them, and the next thing you can click on download after you generate the thumbnail. So you can go to them and tell them you can generate YouTube thumbnail. They give you the thumbnail idea. You go to ChatGPT, you write out the prompt, and ChatGPT is going to generate the thumbnail for you. In fact, even if you see a thumbnail on YouTube and you want to create that kind of thumbnail, it's very easy. All you have to do is to go into ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to describe the image prompt for you, and ChatGPT is going to do it, and you can use it and you can design it. So this is how you can be using this method and generate. You can just go to ChatGPT, tell him what you want, and ChatGPT is going to generate the prompt for you, and you can use it to create YouTube thumbnail for yourself. In fact, I can also decide that right now, let me say change the outfit to red color. Now it's going to change the outfit. Let's just give it some minutes, and it's going to change the outfit. Now as you can see, it changed only the outfit for me. Now you see, you can use it to change the outfit. So you can also use it to change the outfit. You can also tell it. You can also say, I want the person should be standing. So let's give it some minutes, and it's going to do it. So I don't want this video to be so long. On my next video, I'm going to explain much better. So if you want to be getting latest updates like this on how you can be using AI, Google Gemini to design, or use Google Gemini to edit your photos or design any type of image, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you guys on my next video.